Good morning, Teacher Freda. I am Sam Abram H. Bayangan from 5 up. Good morning, Ma'am Freda. This is my performance task in science. And I'm gonna show you which ice cube melts faster, outside or inside. So this is the plates we're gonna be putting the ice cubes in. Wait. And this is the ice cubes. Here. Now, I'm gonna put each of them in a separate container. And this pink one I'm gonna put outside. Okay, it is now outside. Now, we're gonna look at this one. And now we're gonna time it here. I am now timing it. So let's see which one will melt. Okay. We are gonna wait. Gonna look at both the ice cubes. This is the one inside. It hasn't completely melted. And it has been almost 7 minutes. We're gonna look at the one outside. And it's still a cube, but it is melting super fast. So we're just gonna let it melt, and we're gonna look at it when the timer reaches 10 minutes. It's now 7 minutes. So we're gonna wait for the ice cubes to melt now. Let's now look at both the ice cubes now. It's now 11 minutes. This one has become a mini ice cube but is still solid. Let's now look outside. It is now a very small ice cube. You see this? It's very small now. It melted. Okay. So that's the answer. So now we're gonna answer the questions. Okay, we're now gonna answer the questions that were given. Number 1, which ice cube melted faster? The ice cube outside melted faster. Number 2, why do you think that happened? Because it was under direct sunlight. And number 3, how does heat from the sun affect the ice? The sun's heat melts ice. The warmer it gets, the faster the ice melts.